Alright, so we're gonna go pick up Isaac. Let's go. Hey man, how are you? What's the go, bro? What's happened?
I mean, I know. Trying to get. Dude, that's a good photo.
Where?
I kind of felt like I get the camera out, but I can't do it. You know?
Just do it, man. Commit. Alright, we're at this waterfall now with Isaac and just this stranger who we've never met before. She's just hanging around with us. No, it's
kind of followed us from the car park, I mean.
Hopefully, oh shit, it's out of focus, man. Do you reckon the water's going to be deep enough? Just for swimming?
Yeah. I've never been here.
You gonna go swimming?
Hell yeah, I am.
Whoop. Oh, dude, that's so sketchy. Alright, man, what are you gonna do? Alright, let's see it. Whoop! Oh, fuck, that's... Dude, that's so shy. Did you hit?
Yeah, dude.
What?
Go.
Alright, go. Alright, so we've been at this first waterfall for a bit now. We've taken some pictures for Instagram and all that. I'm just gonna quickly run back to grab my drink bottle. I think there's a few more waterfalls further up, so I think we're gonna walk up there, check those ones out, see if we can like do any flips or anything like that. The good thing about the water here, like it's so fresh, because I know since it's been raining lately and stuff, it's so fresh. You can just fill up the water, you can just drink it. Let's do it, let's do it. Nah, that takes too long, fuck it. We're just gonna walk down here, we're gonna fill up the bottle. Let's go, let's go. Good to drink. Alright, so we're gonna start heading back now. Let's go. Alright, so the waterfall that we were like swimming at before is just down there. We're walking along this track. We're gonna try and find the other one. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So we're in this little canopy. The second waterfall is just through here. I know, we're just making our own way, aren't we, mate?
Yeah.
Up here?
Yeah, sure.
Or down here?
No.
Let's go. Hi, friend.
Smells like shit.
Like, seriously though, how chill would this spot be? What? Yeah, just push yourself up.
Do you really think I had that strength?
Yeah, you can do it.
Right, ready?
Whoop. How is it, man? Sorry? Worth it? What? It's shit. Not worth it? Turn back? Ah.
Go to Hawaii. Huh?
I'll phone on it.
Oh, wait. Alright, so it's starting to walk back down now. We went further up and they weren't really like... we went further up and we couldn't really find any spots to go swimming and like jumping from, so... And it's getting pretty late as well, so we're gonna go back down. We'll go down like the fire track now. Should be in the car park in like 20 minutes. We've got the crew. Dude, your calves are so huge, man. Your calves are so huge. How many times do you go to the gym a week?